How's it going, guys? Welcome back to SinghCanStyle, and today I'll be sharing a unique special gift given to me by my sister, and which I also gifted back to her, because they say you never buy it for yourself, so we gifted it to each other, me and my sisters. And this one is in blue, and it says a beautiful reminder and a quote that I feel like is so important just to share to you guys, and hopefully you can learn something from it. So it says, balance your mind and your body shall follow. So if you can see that each different box has a different quote and meaning to it, and I feel like this one just resonated with me so much. I totally believe, guys, if you don't have a right mindset, forget about the body following. Nothing will follow in your life, guys. You'll be following people around. You'll be chasing around so many things. A person that doesn't follow a particular routine, doesn't have a strong mindset, discipline, will probably reach a level around here. And someone who has a strong mindset, he will sustainably keep on growing, and he'll outgrow that person, guys. At the end of the day, when our mindset right, everything falls into place, guys. There's a very popular quote, and I'm sure you've heard it. If there is no enemy within, enemy outside can do us no harm. So I'm sure you've heard of it, guys. It's so important that we control our feelings and mindset and things that go inside of our body, not just externally. We can always wear great clothes, wear a great turban, look good, and impress others. But at the end of the day, guys, if you don't focus on what's within, don't have a great mindset, you're not going to get anywhere where you want. And I'm telling you, you won't be satisfied with anything. You guys know what's right for you. I don't need to be telling anyone what's right or wrong for anyone. Everyone's got their own point of view and their own circumstances. So you guys know yourself best. And maybe in your parents or your other mentors that have been through your life and know you better, you can probably get some guidance from them as well. There's no harm in that. But at the end of the day, guys, this is what I'm talking about, how a mindset is so important. So stay strong, be a warrior, and keep on loving, sharing, and subscribing our videos, guys, for more of this motivational content. I'll be having more videos just like this. One video out each week. Make sure you click the subscribe button. Thank you so much.